Okay, so there's a gift here. Should I open it or should I not? I think we should open it. Should we? I'm kind of scared. Or should? Jesus! Oh, that thing scared the living hell out of me. You have been poisoned. Only I have the antidote. Survive the night and I will give it to you, the magician. Creepy. Hello everybody, my name is Jeff the Killer and welcome to Freak Show. This is a new game that I never tried yet. And I hope you all are gonna like this video because I am gonna be scaring the living day out of myself. And I'm not gonna like this because it has mostly everything in here that I am scared of and I do not like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the intro. I know it's not the best, but I'm gonna try my best to do this, and this is gonna be the full game. So let's get started. The Freak Show. Start. So, like I said, there's this. It's a gift box. Teddy bear! That thing scared me. Seriously, my heart is still beating. You have been poisoned. Only I have the antidote. Survive the night, and I will give it to you, the magician. So, I was thinking of doing voices in my next video. Because, can we put the balloons? Whoops. I'm gonna read the carousel. So I was thinking of doing voices because it's my favorite thing to do. Oh, key. So, yeah, and it's kind of hard to figure it out because, what is it? Man. The rubber ducky! Okay, oh no, that's cute. That's adorable. Rebel! So, no, I don't want to drink. X11. These are, it's gotta be numbers. There's a skull. And, okay, so, like I was thinking, maybe, maybe. I hate clowns. Find me a bowling pin and I will trade you for this lighter. Okay, so we need to find a bowling pin. Locker? Okay. I don't like, no. Bowling pin. So if you look here, the time, what time is it? It shows green, so you want to click this one. If you guys would like, I'll leave this down in the description below. It's free, the site's free. If you like, you can add me as a friend, message me, and I will answer all your guys' messages and questions. And so we can't go in that door yet. I don't think we can go in that door. I get that. Oh! Stupid bastard. Ha 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 ha. Thanks. Here you go. Thank you. Okay. Now we go over here. Oh, wait, let's check the crazy train. Whoa, cool. Darn it, I wanted to stay. Oh my god. I don't like dolls at all. There's a doll over here in the corner. Jack in the box. No, don't like it. Oh, you're lucky. You need a ticket to get on the ride. I think I know that. Let's like this. Well, okay, now I'm feeling better. Okay, let's go in. 777. You know, I'd be grateful if if I won that in real life. That'd be so cool. I am so strong. Yeah, you are. That's cool. I wanted to go into the animal room, but I can't. Don't. Thank you. Ticket accepted. Enjoy the ride. Sure. Where am I? That's creepy. That is very creepy and trippy. Iris registration scanner. Okay, so, hello. Who are you? Do not press the button. Help me. Okay. We're gonna rate this game. Oh, and yes, you do get 5 points. Well, you do get points in all these games that you play. Sorry, dude. Don't like things that shock you. I get shocked every single time. Don't like it. Will I live? Will I die? Ask a question. All signs point to yes. Let's try will I live. Unlikely. Okay. Oh. That doll's moving, so is that one. So is this one. No. No, I'm not going back to the doll room. I don't like the doll room. Ugh! Are you looking at? What are you looking at? Yeah, take that, you stupid troll. Okay, so let's see here. What was I gonna say? I'm not sure. But if I ever man, I forgot what I was gonna say. I hate forgetting things. So, stupid teen clowns. Those dolls hid my favorite coin. Find it, and the eyeball is yours. I don't like clowns. Freak's sake. Ugh, fine. I don't want to be in the doll room. No. Oh, that was weird. So it's in that doll's face right here. And I will be doing a walkthrough on some games. If you guys need help, let me know, and I'll do some walkthroughs. Don't, stupid person. You found my coin! Take the eyeball. It is yours. Ew. Oh my god, it almost looks like Sammy. Just make the... What? Just make it green. I don't not like it. Sorry, bud. Oh, he's dead. Oh, boy. Sounds like a dying dog. Or a dying pig. Something like that. What is that? The magician? Oh, there's a button over here. Okay. Ugh. I do not like anything that's terrifying, but even though I play games that are terrifying, it seems fun. Correct. Magician's Room. Oh my god, that is a lot of teeth. Luckily they're not real. Mouse. Okay. Charlie. Charlie the elephant, the magician. Oh my god, I did not see the doll there. There's a cigarette and a banana. Charlie is guarding the switch. Nope, not now. Turn it on. I was beginning to think you'd never show. Ha 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 ha. How does it feel to be so helpless? Poison running through your veins, and only I have the antidote. This is the final act. You found me! Mine. You may be cured, but you will never escape the freak show. You quickly grab the antidote and make a dash for the exit. As you wander through the never-ending halls, you feel like a rat in a maze. Is what you see and what you hear an hallucination? Is this another one of those magician tricks? Will you ever escape the freak show? You hear the magician's voice in your head. You would do anything to save your own life, even if that means taking a life of your own. Your body goes numb and you fall to the ground. You wake up, your arms and legs are restrained. You feel cold metal presses against your head, and you hear a low buzzing of electricity. You are trapped in an endless cycle of the magician's twisted game. Now you wait terrified as another victim makes your way to decide your fate. You can only hope that they do not make the same decision you made. Freak show. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tap that like button, and if you're new, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I'll be trying my best to get through to make up all the time that I missed on videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, killers!